Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss worksheet number 4, chapter number 6, algebraic expression. In this multiplication of binomial and trinomial, we will take an example, that is a plus b is a binomial and c plus d plus e is a trinomial. We have to find their product. In this case, a plus b into c plus d plus e. We multiply the first term of this binomial with this trinomial and then second term with this trinomial as a into c plus d plus e plus second term, that is b, into this trinomial c plus d plus e. Now we multiply this monomial a with the first term and then second term and then third term. Similarly, b is also with the first term, second term and then this term. Then we have to check the sign also. The sign of a is there plus and sign of c is also there plus, so it is with plus sign, or we do not indicate the plus sign, so it becomes a into c plus a into d, then plus 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 a into e, b into c, plus sign is there, b into d, plus sign is there, b into e, and then a into c is equal to ac, ad, ae, bc, bd, be. All these are unlike terms, so we cannot add these terms. This is the product of one binomial and one trinomial. Now we are solving the questions of worksheet 4. It is related to the product of binomial and trinomial. Question number 1, first part is there. We have to find the product. So in this case, binomial x plus 3 is given and trinomial is there x square plus 2x minus 1. We multiply the first term with this trinomial, that is x into this trinomial. Then second term plus 3 with this trinomial, that is plus 3 into this trinomial. Again we multiply this term with all term of this trinomial, x into x square, then plus x into 2x, then minus x into 1, 3 into x square, 3 into 2x, and then minus sign 3 into 1. Now we will multiply, so we will get x raised to power 3, x raised to power 2 into 1, x raised to power 1, that is parts are added, so it means x raised to power 3 is there, plus 2x square minus x into 1, that is x, plus 3 into x square, plus 3 to the 6x, minus 3 into 1, that is 3. Now we will separate the like term, this one and this one. So 2x square plus 3x square, it becomes 5x square, and x raised to power 3 as it is. Now minus x plus 6x, minus plus minus is there, the coefficient of x is there 1, so 6 minus 1, that is equal to 5, but the sign of bigger number, that is 6, so this its sign is there plus 5x and minus 3 as it is. So it is the product of a binomial and trinomial. Similarly, there are many questions which are related to the product of binomial and trinomial. The second one is that 7 by minus 2 into 5 by square minus 3 by plus 2. The first term of this binomial is there 7 by. We multiply this by this trinomial and then the second term minus 2 with this trinomial. The first term is there 7 by into 5 by square, minus sign 7 by into 3 by, plus 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 as it is 7 by into 2, then minus plus minus is there 2 into 5 by square, minus minus plus minus plus 2 into 3 by, then minus plus minus 2 into 2. Next 7 5 is 35 by raised to power 3, then minus sign 7 3 is 21 by into by, that is by raised to power 2, plus 7 2 is 14 by as it is, minus 5 2 is 10 by raised to power 2 as it is, plus 2 3 is 6 by as it is, minus 2 2 is 4. Now again we will separate the like term. The terms which contain by square, there are 2, minus 21 by square, minus 10 by square. So minus minus plus, so it becomes minus 31 by square. Now the term containing by as variable, 14 by and 6 by. 14 by and 6 by, these are again like terms are there. So here the sum of these is there, plus 20 by, minus 4 as it is, and 35 by raised to power 3 as it is. This is the answer of this question, means it is the product of binomial and trinomial. Third question you have to do by yourself, it is same as it is. The fourth part is there. In this case, the trinomial is written first and then the binomial. We can also multiply this trinomial with this binomial. How we can multiply? So there are 3 terms, but there are 2 terms. So we multiply the first term with this binomial, and then second term this by this binomial, and then third term with this binomial. So it is minus 2x square multiplied with this binomial, so it is minus 2x square into 3x plus 4 by, and then second term is there x plus by into 3x plus 4 by, the same binomial is there. Then third term minus by square into 3x plus 4 by. After this we have to multiply these as we have done in exercise number 3, worksheet number 3. We have to multiply this by first term and then with the second term, again with the first term and then with the second term. Again minus by square we have to multiply with the first term and then with the second term. So we will get the answer is there, minus 6x raised to power 3 minus 8x square by plus 3x square by plus 4x by square minus 3x by square minus 4 by raised to power 3. Here these are the like term. So when we solve this, so minus 8 plus 3, that is equal to minus 5. Minus plus minus 8 minus 3, 5 is there, but the sign of bigger number. So minus 5x square by. Now we will solve this also. These contains like terms, that is x by raised to power 2, x by raised to power 2. 4 minus 3, 1 is there. With plus sign, the sign of 4 is there plus. So 1x by square. And then last term minus 4 by raised to power 3 as it is, and the first term also as it is, minus 6x raised to power 3. So this is the answer. Again there is one more example, or one more question is given, that is the fifth part. In this part there is given the coefficient in the rational form, that is 2 upon 5, 1 upon 7. So in this case again we have to multiply the first term with this trinomial and then second term with this trinomial. So we will get as it is, same as it is. Now after multiplication we get here 6 upon 5 a raised to power 2 plus 8 upon 5 ab minus 4 upon 5 a plus 3 upon 7 ab plus 4 upon 7 b square minus 2 upon 7 b. So in this case these two terms which contain ab variable are same. So we will solve this. The sign of this is there plus and the sign of this is also plus. When we solve this, so we have to take LCM. LCM is there 35. We divide 35 by 5. So we get 7. So 7 into 8ab. Then 35 divided by this denominator 7. So we get 5. 5 multiplied with the numerator, that is 5 into 3ab. We will get 56ab plus 15ab. It becomes 71 upon 35ab. And other terms are as such. These are same as it is, and this term. So this is the answer. Now the next part is there. In this part the decimal number are given, the decimal coefficient 0.1a minus 0.2c. Into the trinomial is there a plus c plus ac. So in this case we have to multiply these with this first term and then with the second term. So again we multiply with the same method. So we are getting answer 0.1 a raised to power 2 plus 0.1 ac. minus 0.2 AC plus 0.1 A square C minus 0.2 C square minus 0.2 AC square. In this case, again these two terms are like term having same variable, that is AC and AC. We will solve this. So 0.1 minus 0.2, minus plus minus is there. When we subtract this, so we get 0.1, but the sign of bigger number, that is minus. So this is the answer of this part. Now question number 2 is same as it is. In this question we have to verify as we have done in worksheet number 3. So in this question we have to simplify the following and then verify the result for the given values. Again a trinomial is given and a binomial is given. So in this case there are three terms. We have to multiply these three terms with this binomial. So x square into this binomial, then minus 4x by into this binomial, and last term is there by square. We multiply with this binomial. It is again we have to find the answer, and we are getting some terms which are like term, x square by x square by, these are x by square and x by square. So we can add or subtract these. Here minus 2 minus 4, that is minus 6, minus minus plus, so minus 6x square by, and then 8 plus 1, there is no number is there, coefficient is there, so it means 8 plus 1 is there, that is equal to 9x by square, and the last term and the first term same as it is. Now we have to verify the result for x equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. The left hand side of this question is the trinomial and this is the binomial. So we have to place this value of x and y in this left hand side. So x raised to power 2, that is 3 raised to power 2 into 4x by 4 into 3 into 2, y raised to power 2, that is 2 raised to power 2 into x, x is there 3 minus 2 by minus 2 into y is there 2, the value of y is there 2. Now we will simplify this. We will get 9 minus 24 plus 4, 9 plus 4 13, 13 minus 24, that is minus 11, and then 3 minus 4 minus 1 is there, minus minus we can cancel there, so we get answer is there 11. Then right hand side is there x raised to power 3 minus 6x square by plus 9x by square minus 2 by raised to power 3 as it is. Now we have to place the value, that is x equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. So it is 3 raised to power 3 minus 6 3 raised to power 2 into 2 plus 9 as it is. In place of x we will write there 3, by square means 2 square minus sign 2 into by cube means 2 raised to power 3. Now we will simplify it, so we get 27 minus 108 plus 108 minus 16, 108 with opposite sign, so we can cancel it, it becomes 0. Now 27 minus 16, that is equal to 11. So 11 is the answer of left hand side as well as right hand side. So it means result is true. Next part is same as it is. In this part there is given binomial and second one is their trinomial. So we have to multiply the first term with this trinomial and then second term with this trinomial, and then we have to simplify as it is. There is no like term, so we can't add it or subtract it. So we have to write the product as it is. Now we have to verify for x equal to 1 and y equal to 1 and then z equal to minus 1. So we have to place these values in the left hand side as well as in the right hand side. Firstly left hand side. The left hand side is there 7x square into y minus 3z square into x plus y plus z. When we place the value, x is there 1, 1 raised to power 2 into y is there 1, minus 3 as it is, z is there minus 1 ka square, x 1, y is also 1, but z is there minus 1, so plus minus minus. Now 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2 minus 1, so it becomes 2 minus 1, 1 is there. But in this case 1 raised to power 2 is there 1 as it is, 7 into 1 into 1, that is 7, 3 into 1, that is equal to 3. 7 minus 3 is there 4 and 1 is there, when we multiply we get 4. Similarly, we have to multiply the right hand side. Sorry, we have to find the answer of right hand side. The right hand side is this one. We have to place the value of x, y as well as z in these case. So we will get here 7 plus 7 minus 7 minus 3 minus 3 plus 3. Plus 3 minus 3 we can cancel there. Its answer is there 0. And then minus 7 plus 7 also we can cancel it. So, but we will get 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side is equal to 4. This is the second part of question number 2. The third part. In third part, it is also same as given. There is given trinomial and second one is the binomial. We have to multiply these three terms with this binomial. Firstly, we multiply 4a square with this 2a plus 3b as it is. Then second term and then third term with this binomial. So what we will get? We will get after multiplication we get 8a raised to power 3 plus 12a square into b minus 12a square b minus 18ab square plus 18ab square plus 27b cube. Here these two terms are same with opposite sign. So we can cancel this. These are equal to 0 and these are also equal to 0. What we will get? The first term and the last term, that is 8a cube plus 27b cube. Now we have to place the values. In the left hand side means in this part, and it is the right hand side, that is the product of these two. The left hand side is this one. So a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1. Now we place the value of a, that is 2 square minus 6 into 2 in place of a, and b is there 1 plus 9 into b square means 1 square. Then bracket close. Then again second bracket for binomial is there, 2 into a, that is 2 into 2 plus 3 into b, that is 3 into 1. After calculating it, we will get 16 minus 12 plus 9. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. And it is 16 minus 12, it is 4. 9 plus 4, that is 13. 13 7s are 91. So the right hand side of this part is there 8a raised to power 3 plus 27b raised to power 3. So it is equal to 8 into 2 raised to power 3 plus 27 into 1 raised to power 3, which is equal to again 91. Therefore, left hand side and right hand side both are equal to 91. The next part, fourth part of this exercise or question number 2 is there. We have to multiply this trinomial with this binomial. Again we multiply the first term with this binomial and then second term minus 10m with this binomial, and then third term of this trinomial with this binomial as it is. Again we multiply the first term with the first term. So it is m square into m. Then with the second term, the minus sign is there, m square into 5. Next minus plus minus as it is, 10m into m. Minus minus plus 10m into 5. And then plus 25 into m. And then plus minus minus 25 into 5. So we will get here this solution, but there are two terms are like term which contains variable m. So we can add or subtract these, but there is a sign of plus, so we have to add these. So what we will get 75m as it is. There are two more like terms are there, these two, minus 5m square and minus 10m square. Minus 5 minus 10 is equal to minus 15 m square as it is, and the first term and the last term same as it is. Now we have to verify the result for left hand side as well as for the right hand side. The value of m is there minus 2. When we place this value, so we will get left hand side is there minus 343, and when we place this minus 2 in the right hand side, again we are getting answer minus 343. So therefore we can say that the left hand side and right hand side are equal. This is about for today. try fifth part and sixth part of question number 2. Thank you everyone.